Good morning, students. I welcome you all, students, in my class of English. I am explaining you this time chapter 4, that is the fight. And I am sure you all are enjoying the story. The fight, that is the competition between the two friends, very close friends. They thought each other as their brothers and they loved each other. They were well respected in the society, well known, and people regarded them as they were lightweight champions, aspiring lightweight champions. Means they wanted, both of them had the dream to become champions in the boxing. And they were practicing, and both of them had got several medals as well. So, in this story, as we have read and we have seen, that these two players had been invited to fight against each other. It was indeed ironical that these two friends were going to fight to win against each other. They had already promised. I had explained you in the last part of the video. They promised each other to behave like strangers in the ring so that they could indeed fight with a full spirit, with indomitable spirit. And they did so. I had explained you in the last, both of them came in the ring, on the canvas, and they got the signal from the referee. As you know, that in the game there is a referee. You can see in the picture, my dear. You can see in the picture the referee, those who are giving the signals to the players, and after that only they can just start. Besides that, they are stopped also by the whistle. When the referee whistles, they have to stop. So there were 3 rounds of game, and let us see what is the climax. What happens? This is what the interesting part of this story. The two friends who were going to face each other in boxing match, what happens? Let us see. I had explained you till the part when they both came and they were introduced by the announcer. They were introduced who were Antonio and who were Felix. What were their weight? So that was already introduced, and they started. They started their fight. So in the first fight, in the first attempt, Felix really dominated in the game. He attacked without just thinking the friendship, any sense of brotherhood. He attacked with the spirit of a sportsmanship, thinking only that they were player, they were opponent, and they had to create a charm and interest for the audience so that they could enjoy the boxing match between the two. And so Felix first attacked. When he attacked, no doubt he was very furious. He was very furious, and he hurt Antonio. He first hurt Antonio. Antonio too was quite competent, able. He tried, but both of them were equally strong, equally experienced in their game. And so, even after he tried to escape from his attack, he was hurt. So when he was hurt, Felix was really no doubt happy, and he got the admiration from the audience, from the spectators. The spectators all around just clapped and cheered him, encouraged him to go ahead, to do the same. And then then was the chance of Antonio, because he too was experienced. So he also just tried to just attack, to make a counter attack. And he also hurt him in the first round. He also hurt Felix. In this way, the game became very charming, and both of them in fact were little hurt. So when the players are hurt in the ring, no doubt you know very well, the doctor is called to give them relief, to check them. And so the doctor came. Antonio was made seated. He looked all around towards the spectators so that he could cheer them. He smiled at them. And again, in the second round, the bell was given. The sound of bong, 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 as you have seen in the book. The sound again made both of them alert. And they both stood. And then their skill was displayed. Both of them showed their skill. Their all experience of fighting. They were aspiring lightweight champions. Means both of them had the dream. Both of them wanted to be champions. So this game became very interesting. One really attacked other, and the other tried to escape from the attack from other. How to really bend down, how to raise soldiers, how to twist, okay, how to turn. These different kinds of skill you have already seen. You have already seen several such matches. And so they tried to escape from each other. But at the same time, to make the game interesting, they did not try to save each other. They tried with their full swing, with full spirit, with their full skill and experience, just attack to each other. And they attacked. And in this way, both of them got hurt. Some of eyes were badly injured. The others, nose was badly bleeding. And in this way, both of them created interest and charm so that the spectators could really enjoy the match, the boxing match that was going on between the two friends, the two brothers. And all the spectators knew their relations, their good friendship, brotherhood, their love. And so this game was interesting. The climax was very curious to know what will be the end. Who will in fact become the champion of the game. And so each of them tried their best. And there was no doubt the end. No draw was possible. So even the third round also came to end. Third round was there. Both of them when fought became really badly injured. And the third round ended. The result was made. The result was made and there was one winner. One was just winner in that one. So what happened? When there was cheer, there was still silence. First there was uproar. Great ear noise from the audience. When they saw the two friends giving them such charm, such interest through their great skill, their true sportsmanship, they fought fairly. They did not think at the time of boxing, at the time of fighting, that they were friends. They loved each other like brothers. They fought and used all their skills so that the spectators could learn and experience the different types of tricks. What types of tricks and skills are used in this game. So they all saw, they all enjoyed. And at last, there was the time for the announcer to announce the result of the game. And when in the loudspeaker the announcement was done. The announcement that was done after the bell, bong, bong, bong. There was the bell, and that bell made all the audience just quiet, still. It was pin drop silence because it was the most curious moment for all the spectators, because they knew that there will be now announcement of the result of the winner, and so they focused on the announcement. They concentrated. The announcer told, "Ladies and gentlemen, the winner and representative to the Golden Gloves Tournament of Champions is." And after telling that, he turned towards the two players to indicate towards the winner, to indicate to the champion. The announcer turned in the direction of the two players. They were in the ring at that time. The announcer thought those two players were standing beside him to point towards the winner, towards the champion. He first addressed the spectators, "Ladies and gentlemen, the winner and representative to the Golden Gloves Tournament of Champions is." He turned in the direction of the players, and you see, the announcer turned to point to the winner and found himself alone. When he turned towards the player to point out, to indicate towards the champion of that match, he found that he was alone in the canvas, in the ring. There was not any player. There was not a single one. And when he saw, then what he saw? Arm in arm, arm in arm. The champions had already left the ring. Just giving the arm in arm. Both the friends, Antonio and Felix, had already left the ring, and they had gone. They did not wait to know who the announcer was, who the champion was, who the winner was. Just they left. Why they left? Because they had no interest to know the winner. Both of them knew that they were equally strong, they were equally experienced, they equally deserved the championship. So there was nothing in the announcement. That's why they didn't wait to listen. They just left the announcer alone and left that place. And they showed the spectators, the people, that they were still the friends, the brothers. And announcer was standing there alone. So this is what an interesting story. The fight. There was the fight. The fight took place. All the audience enjoyed the game, the boxing match between the two friends, two brothers, and they enjoyed all the tricks, all the sportsmanship spirit through the two players. But they could not know who the champion was. The two champions, both of them, two players, left that one on the spectators to think who the champion was. Because they had no thinking about that. They had no sense about that. They only thought that both of them had equally tried their best and no one was less than the other. So leaving the decision on the spectators only, on the announcer, they left to express their love and their relationship, that they were still brothers and friends, not opponents, not the rivals. Thinking so, both of them left the place. So this was what an interesting story for all of us about the two friends. The message that is here from this one, the two friends who were like two brothers, loved each other, but they fought. When the chance came to prove their skill, they fought. They did not miss any chance to hurt each other. As a player, they proved that they were competent. They had true sportsmanship, and they fought with that sense. And they indeed just enjoyed and entertained all the spectators, all the audience. So this was what the story, the fight, and just this will be explained line wise, everything. I have told you every content, everything that was here in the story, and you must have enjoyed. I am sure we shall here learn elaborately in the online class, I am sure. And now on the basis of that, you will do the objective questions, that is understanding the text, exercise A, to choose the correct answers, that is multiple choice questions. I am sure you can do this on the basis of whole chapter that I have explained you. Thank you, students. Thank you all being with us and enjoying the story, and no doubt just cooperating me. Thank you all.